How to duplicate apps on iPhone. First, swipe all the way to the side until you get to App Library. Find the specific application you want to duplicate. Now tap and hold the specific app and drag over to the home screen, then release it. If you want to add more, then do it again. You can also find it using search box on the top. Do this process again. With this process, you can add as much as you want. That's it. Those are the steps to duplicate apps on your iPhone. It's the same icons that duplicates. You add as many times, but it doesn't give you more instances of that app. So it's all going to be the same thing. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.